Alright guys, so I spent all 3 days deep diving into the all ways you can make money online using AI, and for sure legit ones that actually work. So in today's video, I'm gonna break it all the way down for you. So now let's get started. And the first side hustle here you can make money online using AI for sure is building a SaaS tool or SaaS website. That's with such a website here you can provide a service or a business online tool that any customer can find a help or get benefit from your service or your website, and here you can get paid for that. For example, this website that says pixels.com. Here you can find this amazing tool using the power of AI to create viral thumbnails and titles in just seconds. And he's owner of this website, and this SaaS website does well so far and made a lot of money according to his pricing plans. Like for sure, as a customer you can get 5 YouTube thumbnails just for $5 or $10 and so on. And by the way, this amazing website using in the back end the API, the key of a popular AI image generator or even ChatGPT to create these such attractive YouTube thumbnails for customers, as you see. So for sure here, if you want to make these such beautiful tools or SaaS tools in general, here you can use ChatGPT to take your hand step by step in this tutorial and the workflow to build these amazing SaaS from scratch, even without any cost on you at all. Yes, you heard that right. For example here, if you want to make a beautiful AI tool or SaaS tool to summarize YouTube videos, for example, you can endeavor to ChatGPT in the first place and ask for make your workflow and tutorial to create this such beautiful tool. And ChatGPT gives you all steps you need, from codes, tools, free and paid websites, and so on and so forth, to create your beautiful tool as you want. And even you can build this SaaS tool just with $0. So here you can make your own website or SaaS tool without going to a freelance platform to hire someone to build your own SaaS tool that costs you at least $200 or even $1,000, for example. Here you can create your own one just with a little effort using ChatGPT instructions step by step, using these codes, steps, and he would direct you to select the most suitable tool for you to build your beautiful tool from scratch and to be more elegant and more professional at the same time. So here you can make your own SaaS tool using AI. Just get help from ChatGPT as your instructor or your assistant to build these such stunning tools using AI. And for sure, I don't mean that you can create your own SaaS tool regarding businesses like YouTube thumbnails or summarizing and so on. Just if you're interested in different niches or topics like fitness, coaching, or so on, here you can ask ChatGPT to give you ideas to create AI SaaS tools for customers or for target customers, and then you can find a list of amazing tools that you can create using the power of ChatGPT and AI in general. And if you ask me where I can get the API key from ChatGPT or from OpenAI, here is simply here you can head over to this URL that says platform.openai.com. Then you can head over to this API keys. Therefore, you can generate your own key to implement in your own website to build your SaaS tool to use the power of ChatGPT. Like you can create articles, paragraphs, ad copies, YouTube thumbnails, infographics, and so on. Okay, the first side hustle here you can use the AI to make money online in 2025 is making and building your SaaS tool. And the second one quickly, that is creating your YouTube videos and make money online. And for sure, nowadays there are many YouTube channels that use the AI to create their videos and earn a lot of money here. For example, this one that is MidJourney. This amazing YouTube channel just with 33 videos, it attracted more than 2 million subscribers as you see, using the power of AI to create these such beautiful short videos. Here you can make your own YouTube channel like that simply by using different AI tools. Like for generating this script of your short videos, just you can use ChatGPT or Gemini.google and so on. And as for creating these beautiful images, here you can use MidJourney, Leonardo, Ideogram, and so on. And for making your short video by converting these images to amazing video clips, you can use some premium tools like Kling AI, FreePic or Minimax, or even some amazing free tools that give you high quality and professional ones, such as Tensor.art or Degen.ai or Runway ML and so on. For sure, I just talked about the best free tools to convert your image to video using AI completely for free. You can find this video down below in the description box and the first comment. So by using all these tools, you can create these such channels to make money online from YouTube. Or even you can actually direct your content for educational one just by making some language learning channels like this one, Learn German through stories. Therefore, you can provide a great value by providing these stories that you can get from ChatGPT and with all these images from these free tools as you see, and with using as well professional voiceover from 11 Labs, for example. And for sure, meanwhile, you can promote anything you want, like affiliate programs, digital products, and so on. So the second side hustle is making your own YouTube channel using AI. And the third way to make money online using the power of artificial intelligence, for sure, is providing your gigs and services on freelancing platforms. Like this one, for example, you can provide your gig for making presentations like those gig providers as you see. And for sure, to provide any service here or any gig on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and so on, you can use the power of AI tools, either for editing images or for making videos, face swapping, for voiceover, add captions, or even presentations and so on. For instance, for making this presentation as an example, here you can use an amazing tool that is Gamma.app to create your own presentations, documents, or even landing pages, and for free. So you can try this amazing tool to make your own presentation for your customers, or you can convert the PowerPoint to a beautiful and more attractive one using Gamma.app. Another example here, like this gig that is face swap video. Here you can change this faces in any video you like. And for sure, one of the best tools you can depend on to provide this amazing gig, that's swapface.org. It's a beautiful and free software that you can download on your PC. Therefore, you can make face swapping like magic here and for free. And the fourth way here you can try and you can use AI to earn money for sure is by selling digital products, and especially the ebooks. You can create your own ebook using the power of AI and ChatGPT. And to be more professional, just making your ebook for pressing topics people are looking for. And then you can use Google. People also ask questions to make the best out of them, to make your own chapters of your ebook, to make your ebooks individually for every single question and so on regarding any topic or any match. And for sure, I just talked about how you can make your ebook. You can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment. So here you got to know the best ways to make money online using AI, and even completely for free. Have a good day. See you in the next video.